welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about DoorDash IPO that is soon to come out. I don't know an exact date, but it's soon to come out. It's supposed to be coming out, I guess, this month or next month. But DoorDash is definitely looking to break into the market. So if you don't know what DoorDash is, it's just like Uber Eats, like Grubhub. In fact, DoorDash has actually become a little bit more popular since the pandemic. But real quick, guys, feel free to like and subscribe. Stick around on this channel. I like to talk about money, finance. Love to talk about investing. I like to talk about how you can succeed from no matter wherever you are, if you have a lot of money or if you don't have a lot of money. So if you're interested in building wealth, then you definitely should stick around and subscribe to this channel. DoorDash IPO. Now, when I heard about it, I was excited. Now, one of the reasons I was excited is because I'm just excited to see the opportunities being able to be opened up to everyone to where they can invest in these things, invest in companies. And one of the things between now and like how things were in the past is you have more information. So if DoorDash coming out, it's definitely exciting. However, their price target, I don't agree with at all. I'm just gonna tell you straight from the jump. Price target is like $80 to $90. Now, when I see that, to me, it just means that someone is being greedy, or the investors, those that have been privately invested, somebody's pushing for this high price target that I just don't agree with. And I think it's just based off of greed and people just want to make money, because once that company goes public, somebody's going to make millions and somebody's going to make billions. And I think it's just based off of greed why that price is so high. I think DoorDash should be somewhere around $20 or even $30 per share. I mean, if you look at the competitors that are actually in the market, like your Grubhub and your Uber Eats, they're like $50 and $60 a share. So how does DoorDash come in with a price target of $80, $90? Now, very much so, DoorDash could come in and they actually could go a lot higher. It's very possible. I mean, look at Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza is $380 to $400 per share, and most people I know don't even eat Domino's Pizza. Not saying it's bad, it's just most people I know don't even eat it, but that's what the price of the shares of the company is. So DoorDash could come in and do very well, or it could come in and settle down. But for me, I just think it's too expensive. $80, $90 a share. That could very easily make it so that when this stock comes out, that it's like $150 or $120 per share. And I don't think that company's at that particular pace now to where their shares should be at that level. Now, granted, during the pandemic, they were able to capture like 70 to 80%, or about 70-ish or percent of that market share of people ordering food. So for whatever reason, they became more popular than like your Uber Eats and everybody else. So Uber Eats for once, and Uber for once, is behind trying to gain more market share. As you see, they just did a deal with Postmates. But as of right now, DoorDash is just strictly based off of, food delivery. And I think, they shouldn't be that expensive. Now, granted, we're moving in a time where, food delivery, things like that. If you've been watching this channel for any time, then you know I've always talked about how things are changing. So DoorDash is a part of that change, to where yes, food delivery is going to continue and it's going to get even more and more and more. And then you're going to see maybe some restaurants and maybe even some other facets of how we normally do things start to be affected. Like the other day I was in Wegmans. Hold on, now pause. I don't go in Wegmans much, and I only go in Wegmans for like one or two things. So don't start thinking I'm bougie and all that stuff, because that is not the case, because Wegmans is kind of high with their stuff. But nevertheless, I was in Wegmans getting a few things because we like to eat some of the vegan meats, and they have like a better variety there. While I was there, like it was kind of crowded. Well, 50% of the people that was in Wegmans were people doing Instacart. And I mean, it was crowded, and literally half the people were doing Instacart. So we're moving in a time where people will prefer deliveries over getting out physically and going. It's very convenient. I use DoorDash and I use Uber Eats, and it's very convenient. So I do think DoorDash has a promising future. If the company is not successful, then they'll definitely be bought out and merged with another company. So I think the concept definitely has a bright future. I just think DoorDash is just a little bit too expensive right now. Like $70, $80, $90, and even up, that's too expensive. So for me, if I was interested in investing, I would probably let them hit the market and then literally just sit back and wait and see what happens, put them on a watch list and kind of pay attention and see what happens with that. But right off top, it's just too expensive. However, the concept in the company is still definitely good in my opinion. But that's really all I have to say about DoorDash. I don't have a whole lot to say because they're still working out their details with their IPO. But what do you think about DoorDash? Are you bullish? You know, are you looking to hold it? You looking to maybe, you know, pump and dump it? Like, what are you looking to do? And do you use DoorDash? Have you ever heard of it? Because I know some people don't even use it. But anyways, guys, I hope this video has been somewhat insightful and been helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.